Hi everybody, so in this video we're going to identify the transformation your parabola made from the parent graph of y equals x squared. In order to do this, we need the vertex form that you just wrote in the last question. So let's go ahead and get that vertex form. So we captured the vertex form here on our paper. And so our equation again is y equals negative 0.30337 times x minus 4.252 quantity squared plus 2.692. All right, so let's look at the parts, all right? Remember in vertex form, we have a few parts, right? We have y equals ax minus h squared plus k. And so over here to the right, we have a description of what a, h, and k does to the graph. So let's go ahead and compare as we read. All right, so let's look at A. This is A. So our A is negative, and that means that if A is negative, it is concave downward. So our graph is concave downward. Okay. Next, A is greater than 1. Is our A greater than 1? Nope, it's not. So we're going to move on to the next one. A is between 0 and 1. Well, like 0 and negative 1, really. But it's between 0 and 1. Yes, it is. That means our graph is wider than y equals x squared. So, wider than y equals x squared. Another word for wider would be horizontal, well, really vertical compression. It'll be a vertical compression. Okay, next, let's look at, so check for our A. Now let's look at H. We have two situations for H. Is H positive or is H negative? So we look here, it says x minus 4.25. That means if it says x minus, we look here and here, it says x minus, that means my function is following this rule, not that one. So h is positive, x minus h, that means it moved to the right h units. What's h? H is 4.252. So it moved to the right 4.252 units. All right, next and finally, K. K can be positive or negative. If K is positive, then it moved up. If K is negative, then it moved down. Here, my K is positive. Therefore, it moved up. So, check. Moved up K units. K would be 2.692 units. And voila, we have described the transformation of the graph from y equals x squared to y equals negative 0.30337 times x minus 4.252 quantity squared plus 2.692. All right, thank you. Look out for the next video.